You are welcome to Geojay Solution Tutorial channel. I am Emanje Adaviruku. Today, I want to show you how to save your ArcMap project file by using packaging options without listing any file. These options is very good in saving and packaging your ArcMap project, and you can share it with friends without losing any file. And of course, it makes it easier for you to share. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. So in ArcMap, I have this map prepared. I've prepared everything, my project ready. But what if I want to save it in such a way that I can send it to anybody, that person can open it without losing any layer? So that's what I want to show you. To do that, the key is this: make sure that all layers has defined coordinates. All your layers, make sure they have defined coordinates. So let's go back to our ArcMap. To do that, after you are ready, all your map is ready, then come to File. Then you see Share As. Come and click on Map Package. Then it will open a dialog box like this. Then on here, this map package, automatically it will take the name of your project. The name of my project is example. Under these item descriptions, come to description. The summary, you have to give a summary. Usually what I do is that I give the summary just as the name of the project. So I just give example, then here example. All this require field, I usually fill it with the name of the project. So if you come back under this package, navigate to the folder where you want to save it. In this exercise, I want to save it here in my project packaging folder, and I want to name it as example, as it is example. You can give it any name or whichever name you prefer. Just give it the name that you remember and click on save. So after that, you come to this share. Just click on share. So what it will do is that it will prepare your data, run it in few seconds, prepare it. After preparation, it will be packaging it. So right now is packaging. It is a matter of few seconds to few minutes. So it will package it, preparing data, packaging it make it compact, which you can now share with anybody you want to share it with. So it's about to be done. So it's making package ready, now compressing it. Yes, successfully created map package. So you now click on OK. So what to do now is you can now close this very project because you have saved it. So what to do is that you come to the folder where you save it. In this is in my exercise folder. Let me go back there. Here, packaging. Here, this is it. Let me open a new ArcMap interface. So this is it, example. So what to do now, if you send it to anybody, once the person just double click it, or let's just drag and put it here, it will open it. So it will open our project and it will look just the same as the original was. So you can see it has opened and it's the same as our original project. So without losing any file, no error sign here. So this is the way to package your project using packaging options in ArcMap. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.